Hi everybody. To start using the Spreadsheet add-on, create, archive, and delete bulk classroom, all you need is to install from the G Suite Marketplace. After installing it, you will see it added to the add-ons menu as create, archive, and delete bulk classrooms with three submenus: create, archive, and delete bulk classroom. If we start creating the bulk and number of classrooms, all we have to do is preparing a spreadsheet with the shown columns. You don't need to change this spreadsheet name. You can leave it by default to sheet 1. And if you have changed it, then a warning message will appear alerting you to change it back to sheet 1. The required column actually is the course name. You need to specify the course name. As you know from the Google Classroom, the required field is the course name. The other fields are not required, but if you need to specify it, you can write it in their columns as course details, course description, course rooms. The other fields are teachers, students, are the co-teachers and the invited students. If you have a co-teachers to invite them in your classes, all you need is to write their accounts and the teachers column separated by comma. As you can see, I have added two accounts in the first class and separating them by a comma and a space after that. The same thing is done for the student. You can add a number, invite a number of students to your classes and separating their accounts by a comma. Or you can leave it without writing any accounts for the student. And after creating the classes, you will get a share code. You can give it to the students to join their classes. These two fields actually they are blanks at the first time when you are start creating the classes. If you have a number of classes, you can see it will take a longer time for creating them. It's not because of the this spreadsheet add-on, it's because of the Google Classroom itself. It needs a while, a longer time for creating number of courses. As you can see, it will inviting them and have so many details for creating one course. So let's start using the Create Classroom. If we need to start using the Create Classroom, we should allowing and giving a permission for using this spreadsheet on to get your account and have the access to your Google Classroom to see what is there. Is there an active classes there? Is there an archived classes to start using this spreadsheet add-on? For the first time, you will click on the Create Public Classroom for giving the permission and authorization to use this spreadsheet on. It will actually not starting the creating bulk classroom. Okay, I will start giving the permission to use this spreadsheet on, and then after that we will return back to the add-on to click on the create button to start creating the classes. You can see here there is no active classes. If you are not patient like me, I will refresh the page to see the created classes. As long as the arrows are spinning, that means it's still working. Returning at the Google Classroom, I'm refreshing the pages, is you can see it will create a course by course. This is the first course and the second course will be history. The spinning arrows are still working. I can refresh the pages to see the results. And now it's finished. We can see there are two courses as specified by the spreadsheet, history and math, with the course details. We can check it out and see the settings of the courses. We can see the courses, the rooms, sections as written in the course spreadsheet. Also, how about the pupils? the invited student and the teachers, we can see the invited student and teachers are written as shown in the spreadsheet itself. After creating them, you can see the link of each course are written back to the URL column and also the share code. Let's check it out. For the history, this is the course code for joining, and this is, you can see, this is history, and this is the join code for the course code. Okay, that's all we need to know how to create the bulk number of classrooms. How about archiving the active classrooms? Archiving the active classroom, it will archiving actually all the active classrooms at once. So let's go back to the add-ons and take the second choice, archive bulk classrooms. A warning message appears for confirming the archiving process. I will choose yes and starting the archiving process. As I told you, as long as the spinning are spinning, that means it's still working. So let's see. Let's refresh the pages. Okay, no need to refresh it. It's also already archived. These are the archived classrooms. Now let's return back to the add-on and choose the last choice, which is the delete button. It will delete only the archived classroom and only the classes that is created by you. It won't delete any classes that is created by another one and you are the co-teachers for this class. This is the fact of the Google Classroom. So I will delete bulk classroom and confirm the deletion message. Yes. Return back to the archive, refreshing the page to see the results. It's still working. Let's return back to the archive and refreshing the page to see that the classes are deleted. That's all we need to know about the how to use this spreadsheet add-on. Thanks.